Hello YouTube and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Theo Tovek, and if this is the first time you stop by my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification icon. Also, if you like this video, make sure that you click a like. That will do a lot for me. Make sure that people can view me all over the world. So on today's video, we are going to add a few carbon fiber pieces inside the car. So follow me. Here it is. Here is what I am actually going to install. So I don't need this one because my car came equipped with this already, so I'm not going to be installing this, although the kit that I purchased came with this. So I might do a giveaway, maybe, I don't know, I will figure out. But this is the first part that I am installing. As you can see here, let me remove it from the plastic really quick so you can see. Bam! How do you like this? I know it's going to drastically change the look on the inside. So this one will fit on the gear lever, and right now mine is silver, and I definitely wanted one that the carbon fiber piece so that it will match with the side arm. When we go inside, you will see what I mean by that. So this is good, I like it. There are two types that you can purchase: the cover type, which is this one, or the one that is actually the whole insert. That one is more expensive, so I chose this one because hey, it's just the carbon fiber look that I need. It's not like it's adding 10 horsepower or something. So that's the first piece, and here is the other piece right here. It came very wrapped. Let me remove it. Move on the side. And dun, 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 dun. Yes, guess what this is? This is the radio panel trim, also in carbon fiber. I just think that this is going to complement that carbon fiber look that I have going on the dash area right next to my navigation screen, and having this carbon fiber would definitely improve that look. So I cannot wait to go ahead and install it. So let's go ahead and inside the car and install these two pieces. I think this is going to be the easiest mod that you will see on that channel. I might take this back another day, but I think so far it is the easiest mod that you will see on this channel. It's actually even easier than installing that start button, but yet I have to show you guys so that if you're interested in purchasing these, you can use this as a guide to install. So let's go inside. I am inside the car right now. So the first piece is going to be covering this silver piece right here so that it will match the carbon fiber that I have here and this carbon fiber. And then the second piece is to cover this black trim right here. So you can see that I have carbon fiber here, so having another carbon fiber here will definitely improve the look on the inside. So let's go ahead and install that right now. The first step to install it is make sure that you clean this area, and that area has a lot of little dusty things. So let's make sure that we clean that up. So I do have some rubbing alcohol here, a nice little pad. So let me go ahead and clean that up right now. After cleaning the area, you want to do a test fit just to make sure that you don't have to trim or anything like that, because a lot of time when you purchase things online, they come and they don't always fit 100%. I did test it earlier before cleaning, but I want to show you pretty much what I did. So the idea is that you put it in there like that, and then you put it, when you see that it is covering very well, you know that it fits properly. So this is how it's going to be when it is when we are done installing. So now that we are sure that it fits, we go ahead and remove the 3M tape. The next step is to remove the 3M tape, and this 3M tape is very thin, so you simply just remove the 3M tape like that. Next, we've put it in there the same way we did when we did the test fit. You push it in there first, and then so it's taking good. Stick here. All right, and then we are good. We have it winner here. Just like the other one, you go ahead and you peel off the 3M tape. Alright, after you peel it off, you make sure that you align it right this way. And there you go, and then you squeeze and press all the area just to make sure that it fits well. As you can see, it completes the look. You have carbon fiber here, carbon fiber here, carbon fiber here, carbon fiber there, carbon fiber all around. So I just think that it is very beautiful, and it is a cheap mod that I would recommend, especially if you already have carbon fiber inside of your car like this one. This kit, the one that I purchased for this one, came with a cover for this one. So if you didn't have a cover here, you can buy the same set and it will include the cover. So again, how do you like it? I love it, man. I love it. Oh my god, look at the red start and stop button I installed the other day. Man, this is crazy. It is changing the way the inside looks so much. Alright YouTube, what did you think about this mod? You know, what do you think about those two carbon fiber pieces I put on the car? I think that they look beautiful, fantastic even. And it doesn't add any horsepower unfortunately, but it definitely increased the way the car looks on the inside. This is something that every time I drive the car I will see, I will touch, and I think that those are just the little details that will make your car, you know, distinguish your car amongst other M's out there. So I know you can put rims and put boot mode on the car and things like that. Everyone do that. Of course, one day that will be my turn of doing those things. But for the meantime, I would like to just remain stock and do the little things that matters to me at the time. Again, that was it, man. So make sure you like this video if you like this install and you like the look, and I will put a link on the description where you can purchase your own set. That's it, man. See you on the next video.